What's up, Lunar Bikes? Today I will show you the quick restoration of this type of Shimano bottom bracket. I remove crankset and use a WD-40 to unlock all the screws and threads. By a special tool I remove the left thread and try to unassemble bottom bracket. Now the right side. And here we go, we got it. Now you can see specification of this bottom bracket. Okay, let's overhaul it. First I remove plastic cap. Now I unscrew 21mm screw. Remove simple pad and the second screw. As you can see, inside are bearings balls. Okay, we got it. Now we have to put out on another side everything. Be careful to don't forget any balls. The next step is cleaning by a brake cleaner or some degreaser. Now on the towel you can see ready parts to reassembly, and we can start with assembling. I use Shimano top grease. I lubricate all parts. I apply balls on the treadmill and another side. I lubricate also. Put on grease bearings balls and assemble everything again. You need to tighten the screws in optimal force because they don't do this so tight. Don't be any loose on axle. covered by grease and plastic cap. If bottom bracket turns freely, you can try to assembly in the frame. Don't forget about loop on the thread to anti-seize, and exactly don't forget about sides of threads, left and right thread. Now it's finished, left to install crankset and you can ride. Thanks for watching, don't forget to give a subscribe.